could, should, would. 3 words. One of the most confusing parts of English. Always confusing which one to use. Today, that changes. Could. Ability in the past. Possibility right now. It leaves the door open. Nothing is certain or required. Here's where learners get it wrong. I could go to the gym. I'm going right now. If you're definitely going, could is wrong. Could implies it might happen, not that it will. The correct version, I could go to the gym if I finish early. Could plus if. Possibility plus condition. That's the pair. Should. Advice, expectation, the right thing to do. Here's the number 1 mistake. I should go there yesterday. Should lives in the present and future, not the past. For past regret, you need should have gone. The correct version, you should see a doctor. That cough sounds serious. Advice, direct, that should doing its job. Would. Conditional. Polite requests. The hypothetical world. Here's where it goes wrong. Would you be at the meeting tomorrow? This is a real event. Will works better. Would makes it sound hypothetical when it isn't. The correct version, would you be able to join the meeting? Would you be able to? Polite, soft, gives them room to say no. That's would in its natural home. Here's the test. 3 questions. You only need 1 second. Is it possible? Use could. Is it advisable? Use should. Is it conditional? Use would. That's it. Ask the question first. The right word follows. Could, should, would. You know the difference now. Use the 3-question test every time. The right word will follow.